We've made it to the top and through that little squeeze there. Just waiting for Tom to catch us up. He'll be along in a few minutes now. We've climbed up about 100 feet. It's an old zinc mine. Mined zinc here from about 1690 till about the 1920s. And this here, this ladder, this very rotten ladder, is our next way up. We've been to that level down there. This is where we came last time with Al. Unfortunately, Al wasn't able to make it today. But this is where we're going next. You can see there's a rope there. We managed to free climb a fair way up and bolt a rope securely about halfway up. So we're now just bolting the rest of the way to the top. About another 15 or 20 feet to go, not very far. Check out that old ladder. There it goes. This is our new one. And that's the level just up there. So we've got bolts up there, I don't know if you can see them, and there's our rope hanging down. So we're going to climb up there again today, reach up as high as we can and keep on bolting until we get into the level. Comes Tom down there. Okay, we're in the level. Let's have a look. This is one direction. We've got what looks to be like an old pricker or a scraper for cleaning the shot holes before they were charged with gunpowder here. And an old shovel. All of this has lied completely unseen. Well over 100 years. Big drop. Ooh, and a big looking collapse over there. However, it does go the other way as well, so. Yeah, that's a stope there. That's where they've mined all the vein out. And they've perched lots of the waste rock on timbers. And those timbers have then collapsed and blocked the level. Anyway, there's still plenty more to go the other way. There's our rope. Our way out.
Anything there?
Big hole on the collapse.
Nothing for us.
No. Wow, look at that. Whoa, look at the colours and all the little steps and ridges in the water. Wow. Beautiful. Well, now that we've made it up to the level, before we explore the other direction, and also there's some more ladders going all the way up there, some more stuff up there. It's time for lunch. Got my crushed sandwich there ready for lunch. It's time for a picnic where no one has stood in 120 years. It's something you can't do very often, right? Okay, here we go then, along the level. Look at these amazing formations on the floor. These little gower formations. It almost looks like hair or fluff growing on the ends of them, and they're in these little ripples. That's amazing. So we're being careful not to disturb those as we go. Wall of deads here. It's like a railway spike. Yeah, it's a railway dog spike there. Holding the rails down. Oh, look at that. Wow. Whoa. Look at them. They go right up to the roof.
Really?
Might be alright.
Just slide on it.
Just as long as we make sure that we don't touch these.
Yeah.
It's incredible how these are formed. Yeah, that's as far as we can go. It's flooded right up to the top.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, that's a shame. But what an amazing
Well, 200
formation.
years, 100 years.
Yeah, what an amazing thing. Wow. These minerals that are just in the water have actually built themselves up. They're sort of floating on the surface of the water, but they're rock solid. And they've built themselves right up, damming the water back behind them.
It's definitely to the top, yeah, there's no way to
No, well,
squeeze over.
it's much higher than the waders. See, it's just a solid pool of water on the other side of them. So it's way too deep.
Well, not necessarily. Well, if you're looking, have a look into it, you may be as deep as the one you're standing in.
Amazing coloured water. Blood red. Blood red water there. Over there. And a big drop down there. About 200 feet straight down. Okay. Check this out.